welcome back to another video. So today I am doing part 1 of a 2-part video because I didn't want it to be extremely long. So we are going to do an experiment today. I realized that after my last polygel video I did not do a polygel full set with you guys. So I'm just going to run through the colors that I have here very quickly. I have the Max White, the Cover Almond, which I absolutely love. It is a gorgeous nail bed color, and the Glass. So really quickly, I am going to color the polygel. Now, I did see some colored polygels on the market. I'm not going to lie to you guys. But how often are we going to use the same color polygel? Not very often. So I am going to experiment to see if it is that I can color what I already have to create the color that I want. So to do this today, I am using this gel polish by MadamGlam, and this one is called On My Way, and it's a gorgeous Tiffany Blue. So I have my spatula, I have this dapper dish, and I'm going to start off with the Max White polygel. Now, the consistency of the white in the tones polygel, I must say, is different from the clear and the pink that I did review previously. It is a little more on the softer side. Oh my gosh, did you guys hear that? It's raining so badly outside. So I'm just going to add a few drops of the MadamGlam gel polish. Now, I want this to be the exact color or as close to as the color on the bottle. So we're just going to continue adding 1 to 2 drops of this gel polish at a time. So now I'm happy with that color, but after adding the gel polish, it did change the consistency. Obviously, it came like it thinned down the polygel. So now I'm going in with the Glass polygel, and I'm going to add about 2 little beads just to see if it would give me back that polygel consistency. I do need to make sure that I have enough mixed to do my both hands for this set. So I'm just going to work in that Glass polygel, and then I'll see if that actually helps. So it did help a little bit. I got a nice thick consistency, but it's still gooey. So then the light bulb went off, and I said, why not use clear acrylic? So now I'm just adding a little bit of clear acrylic at a time to see if this will help. Now remember, when I'm mixing the polygel, I am heating it up. So it's always going to have that soft texture. So I do have to leave this to sit and rest for a little while for me to get the true consistency of the polygel. So I'm literally just adding very little bits of acrylic at a time. So I am going to leave this to come back to room temperature, and I'm going to go ahead and prep my nails for my next set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little experiment. This was my first time doing this, and I really love how it turned out. So here is the set that I came up with using that polygel. So if you want to see this polygel ombre, then definitely turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss it when I post it. Go ahead and share this video with anybody that loves working with polygel. And that is it, guys. I am out. As always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.